Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you have read the title of this video, I'll directly get straight into the video. Just understand one thing, this reading is going to be very detailed about the remaining months of 2026. I will take you all through a lot of deep topics and a lot of detailed topics. I will start with current energy you are in right now. What is ending before 2026? What is entering in the remaining part of 2026? We will also look into what are the obstacles you need to overcome as the year ends. We will go deep into your career, your job, your relationship. I will also end this with a guidance, and we have multiple things in this reading. Straight up into the reading, I have made beautiful piles for you. Choose the pile which resonates with you the most. Timestamps are given in the description for you to choose your pile from. Let's begin. Hi guys, if you chose pile 1, then this is your reading. Straight up, I'm getting into your reading. I have my cards here with me. Just one thing, as I shuffle and as I read, just breathe. I think I connect like this with the audience well. I'm shuffling. I will be detailed in this reading, and I'm sure with the help of my cards, I will be able to guide you for the remaining months of 2026. Can't believe we are already half way there in this year. Take few breaths, take a deep breath couple of times, and first I will check what is your current energy right now. Current energy for pile 1. Where are you energetically right now? So I get an understanding. Where is pile 1 currently in the life energetically? I'll tell you one thing. Right now, you are in a state of mind where a lot of thing is in your head. Like all the negative things you are thinking, it's just in your head. There is nothing as such in reality. You are in your head right now, and I would not be shocked or surprised to say you need help of other people to take you out of this mental state. You are in a mental prison right now. You are thinking everything negative, and itna bura nahi hai. The level you are thinking of, it is not that wrong. All the negative thinking you have right now, that is your current energy state I am sensing. And one more thing I would say, the state you are in right now mentally, which is mental prison, it is because of you. Nobody has put you in this mental prison. There's a bell, evening aarti is happening. I would take it as a sign, yes. It is you who have put yourself in this situation because of all the, negative thinking. Stay with me here. Don't leave because I said something negative. We also have guidance for this situation in this reading. One thing I would say, talk to someone. Whatever negative thinking you have right now, or you think this is negative or this will happen, at least talk to few people, I would say, and share this thought or these thoughts you have. I'm sure they will help you understand it is not that bad. The level of bad thinking, negative thinking you have right now, it is not that bad. It is your mental uh, imprisonment, I would say. Next, I would say, what is ending? Like, what chapter in your life is ending as the year ends? What chapter of pile 1 is ending as the year ends? See, you are in a comfort zone. I would say little bit of procrastination has also come because of this comfort, because of, I don't want to say luxury around you now. Your definition of luxury could be different. My definition of luxury could be different. Someone else who's not like very much equipped with resources, their definition of luxury would be different. Right now, I sense this chapter ending is The comfort zone. Life will push you into such a phase where you have to push yourself out of your comfort zone. You have to put in the work. The work which you are dealing for XYZ reason, you will have to do it, or you will have to face things which you were delaying or you were not doing it because of procrastination. I would say procrastination. And you are in comfort zone. Now, see, take it in a way, you are in a comfort zone because you have financial stability or you don't want to take risks. And I am not at all saying that leave job completely and take the biggest risk. Do what you are doing and try to do what you were planning. Try to do what you were procrastinating. You don't know where it will take. And this reading is not saying, oh, it will make you successful millionaire overnight. Don't procrastinate the tasks which you are planning or tasks you had in mind, not just tasks, anything for that matter, which is right now giving you a lot of comfort zone or you don't want to leave your comfort zone. Next, I would say what is coming in pile one's life, like what is replacing this energy. Something is ending, but by the time year ends or for the remaining part of the year, what is coming in? What is coming in? What energy is replacing it? Pile one. See, if you, I don't know, this is a front camera mode if it is visible. Move out of your comfort zone, get out of your comfort zone and see the magic it does. Just because we have the sun card, I would not say, oh, you would be successful, but you have mental imprisonment that if I do this or whatever you try, it will not work. Try, my dear friend, and see this. I am not saying it will be successful overnight, but then you will understand that why was I procrastinating? If I would have not been in this mental imprisonment, I would have been successful or I would have achieved this, or at least it was not very difficult the way I was thinking. You will realize that. The first three cards were bang on. Next, I would say biggest lesson of the remaining year. Then I'll start with finance and everything. For pile one, biggest lesson for the rest of the year. Pile one. I will not show the card. See, right now, what I will say one thing, heal your mind first. Your mind is the problem of everything. If that problem is solved, you will be so much sorted in your life. Everything is in your head. In your head, you are thinking it is very bad, or this person is doing this, or maybe it is very difficult. This task I'm going to do would be very difficult. Everything is in your head. Right now, you do not have the clear picture of what you are thinking, all negative. You do not have a clear picture. And I'm not saying take a very big risk, but take that small step towards something. Whatever you are planning, whatever you are procrastinating right now for, you will understand that everything was in my head. And once you do something, you will understand it is not very difficult. It is not how I was thinking it is. Understanding all the four cards I've got is pointing towards the same thing which I repeated 2 to 3 times. Biggest obstacle ahead, I would also want to see that. Biggest obstacle ahead, what could slow you down as an obstacle in the remaining months of this year? Biggest obstacle, what could slow pile one down? Your procrastination. Again, I have this card. How do I say this? Very slow. If I want, I will use this word. Very lallu type of a thing. Like doing very slowly. Yes, I'll see, I'll do later, I will think. Like balance would be missing, but balance in the sense you are just either you are too much in your head and actions are not implemented. This is the only thing which could happen. Keep a balance between planning and execution. If you do not do this, that is going to slow you down like anything. That can be your biggest obstacle. While one, don't be in your head, and I'm not saying take very big risk. At least do one part of what you have planned and see. Do two to three things from what you have planned, everything. You will come out of your mind and you will realize that everything was in my head. Or take someone's help to execute what you have been planning so far. Next, I would say biggest blessing, like what unexpected blessing is coming in the remaining months of this year. Biggest blessing for pile one coming in the remaining months of 2026. This card had to come out. See, there will be beginning of something good. There is going to be a completion of your mental imprisonment. Like you will come out of this and you will start something. It's a very good card. The blessing is very good. Everything depends on your this mental state right now. See, I'm not calling you're like insane or that type of thing. I have been into your situation. A year and a half mental state was really bad, but as you start taking action, you, and I don't want to again and again say procrastination. I understand your situation and I feel these cards really well because I've been into the situation. When you are in your mental state again and again thinking, I'm planning, but no, this is tough, or how it will happen. No, I did this once, it did not happen. Let me just drop it. Keep doing it couple of times. Once you do something, your body gets some sort of relaxation. Relaxation is not the right word actually, but it actually does something to your mind and to your brain. It is better, executing is better than doing nothing. Doing nothing will really play with your mind in a very negative way. Trust me when I say this. Biggest blessing is you becoming a mature person. You becoming someone who's starting something. You becoming someone who's responsible. You becoming someone who pulls yourself out of this mental imprisonment. It is you who will do it. And I'm telling you, it is no one who will help you come out of this state. Even if you take someone's help, all they can do is give you lecture gyan, but it is you who has to do it. So whether you do it yourself or with the help of someone else, understand you have to do it. If you do it next year, 2-3 months down the line, better do it now. Some or the other day, it is you who has to do it. Blessing is really good. If you are aiming for something, there is a fulfillment here. Everything starts from you. I will not exaggerate this. Now I will look into the career energy. For those who are in job, I will check your current energy first. And if it is negative, I will see what is the guidance. If it is going good, we'll see what come next. Yeah, so it helps both. In your career, for pile 1, current energy in career. For those who are doing like job specifically. Current energy, see, you are doing your work, emotional, you're liking it, you are doing it. Even if you're not liking it, you are doing it. Things are fine, not very bad, not very great, fine. Guidance for you for the remaining part. Why am again and again part was coming in my mind. Remaining months of the year for pile 1 for job. I will say one thing. If in the remaining months of the year, if something happens where you feel like I just want to walk away, it's not a negative card, don't worry. Don't take blind decision just because boss said something, or something like ego hurting happened, or something hurted you. Don't just walk away emotionally without having a backup plan. This one situation will happen where you will be like, no, I don't want this, or I don't want this anymore. And that would be not a big problem, it would be just emotional thing. Out of nowhere, your ego might get hurt. I'm not saying it will get hurt, it might get hurt, ego might get hurt, but in that heat moment, heated argument, or whatever you call it, don't just say, I don't want to do this work, I don't want to do this job, because you will not know what you will do next. So don't take this hasty decision. That is the only guidance. I will not exaggerate this. For those who are in business, let me see your current energy first. Right now in business, what I'm sensing is there is a lot of argument happening with people around you, and this argument is like everyone wants to win. Person A is saying I am right, person B is like I am also right, and person C is like I am also right. So there is a lot of I don't want to say miscommunication, there is a lot of ego problem in communication. Everyone wants to be right, and the fun part, nobody's right. I will tell you one thing, because you are watching this, try not to engage in this ego problem. There is also a lot of competition, and the opponents are also equally strong as you do. Let me pull one guidance for you. Let me pull one guidance for pile one. Guidance for pile one for this situation. You have an advantage that you are creative and you can start things in a very good way. Like one good idea you can give. Like you can start things well. I would not say you are someone who starts and executes and finishes perfectly, but one leverage you have is you start things very well. In this, heated conversation going on in your work environment, in your office, bring such an idea which is different from what everyone right now is fighting for. That will give you a leverage. And don't focus too much on this energy where everyone is saying I am right. You don't follow that race, you will get nothing out of it. It will drain your energy like anything. You would not feel like going to work or doing work, or uh, working with the team members you have. Don't get into that. Next, I would look into the relationship part for singles first. What is the energy first? I will check. So I get an understanding. Energy for pile one, singles. You all are in this mode where you're very much laid back in life. Single, you're happy being that, and you don't even wish to get involved with anybody. I see that energy. You work, you do basic activities, the extra thing you do from work to home, and you are done. You want your withdrawal after work. Very simple energy, no need for explanation. You are actually tired. Mentally, you are tired. I would not say because of past, but right now, very tiring energy, and that has made you withdraw from this whole situations. Let's, and I would respect this thing. You don't want, okay, cool, be in this energy. I would say guidance for y'all. I will see guidance. File one, symbols, guidance. Focus on career, focus on finances, long term. Be in this energy if you want to be. In the remaining year, focus on finance, career, not a problem. Focus on that. For those who are in connection currently, I will first check your energy. Energies of pile 1, those who are in a connection. Those who are in connection, both of y'all, because I am saying in connection, both of y'all are now clear what you want from this connection, what you expect. Your energy is like y'all have clarity, what you want, how you want. It is a good energy. Beginning of clarity has already come. Last 1 to 2 months may, those who are in bond or a connection. And I see both of y'all being very clear. You want this. How you want your future to be. Where do you see this connection? You all have clarity. So we have started on a good note. I would say remaining months of the year, good 5-6 months. What is the energy of the next 5-6 months for those in a bond? File 1 came out. Things are good. Things are fine. I would say one thing, this new clarity you all have got, you all have decided, okay, this is how I want, this is who I want. Don't rush. Don't rush in the sense, let your bond unfold more naturally. Understand each other's different side. And you all know, you all are in a bond. Everyone has two sides. One which they show, one which is little hidden, for good or for bad. Now try to know each other's other side also. That is a very big thing which is coming. I want to say one more thing. See, there is a big possibility of this remaining 5-6 months. Maybe your partner will not show that side very openly. Try to understand, and this happens through communication. Communicate, observe, both of y'all together. I see good energies, there's no conflict, and even if that happens, try to know the trigger. Why did that happen? Try to understand. And I just realized what I said. Try to know the hidden side also, even if it is bad. Y'all will grow a lot together. That's all for this part. Next, I would say what pile 1 should focus on in the remaining months of the year. What pile 1 should focus on in the remaining months of this year. You should focus on balance in your life. Balance, I would say, not just work but many things. If you have a hobby, do not delay it just because you have a lot of work now. Do that and balance work and this. Might happen that towards the year end, you have a lot to do and you end up dropping something, be it a hobby, be it something, anything. Balance. You have to. Now, this card, the suit, it has come, I would not say that specific thing. Your emotions will also play a lot of role. Balance. Might happen, I am still saying might, take it or leave it. Might there is a possibility of too much work coming in, and if not work, too many things on your plate that can frustrate you. Balance. How to balance? You know well. Balance. Then I would say what you should avoid doing in the remaining months of the year. What pile one should avoid? We have already seen an obstacle, but one, avoid being egoistic. Avoid saying this, I know everything, or whatever I say should happen. If you are in such an environment, be it work, home, or anywhere where you are in a position like a higher position, um, avoid being egoistic. This ego word is coming again and again. Egoistic. And if you have plans, execute it. It brings me to the first card of this reading. Avoid procrastinating, avoid hiding your creative side. And creative side is not doing art and craft. If you know something, if you feel this is different from what people are doing, at least give it a try. I am, see, ego is going to be a very big thing. It will come out in the way of your communication and the way you behave with people. If you are in a higher position or you have authority or people work under you, avoid making them feel small. If they teach you something, learn from them. Ego might be a problem. And this was your reading for the remaining months of 2026. I hope it helped you in some or the other way. I will see you next time with a new reading. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It will motivate me a lot to bring more such videos. I will see you next time with a new reading. Bye. Hi guys. If you chose pile 2, then this is going to be your reading. I have my tarot cards here with me. Straight up, I'm getting into this reading. As I shuffle, take few deep breaths so I connect well with you. To begin with, I will first check where is pile 2 currently in their life energetically. Like, where are you energetically right now in your life? Where is pile 2 right now energetically in their life? And pile 1 had the same card. Do not go to pile 1. No cheating. Only one pile you are allowed to choose. Right now, in your life, you are a lot in your head. आपको जितना लग रहा है कि ये सिचुएशन उतनी बुरी है, उतनी है नहीं. Things are not that bad the way you are thinking. It is in your head. And let me tell you one thing very gently. The state you are in right now in your head, it is because of you. You have put yourself in the situation. These are not external circumstances. You are thinking a lot negative about certain things. And the trickiest part is, it is not that bad. It is your mind who has made these up, or maybe you feel it is this bad. In reality, it is not that bad. I'm not saying it is not bad. It is not that bad. I will not be shocked to say you're not able to sleep because of certain things you are thinking constantly in your life currently. You are a lot into negative thinking energetically right now. Technically speaking, you need someone's help, but if you cannot take a professional help, I would say the negative things you have in your mind right now, talk to 3 to 4 people about these thoughts you have, and then see. They will also say it is not that bad the way you are thinking. Do this for me, pile 2. Please share your thoughts with someone who you trust, your friends, your colleagues, anyone, family members. Take their opinion. Like asking, do you think it is that bad? And see, they will also say and share what you are thinking, the bad things which you are thinking, that also you share, and they will also tell you it is not that bad. This is your current energy. I am sensing very strongly. In 2026, for the remaining months of the year, what is ending for pile 2? What is ending? What chapter is coming to a close for pile 2? Competition, arguments, the area of life, I would say career to be very specific, or your work career goes hand in hand. The phase which is ending is, I want to say this, where there were many opinions and everyone was feeling in that circle, in this environment. I'm talking about an environment is coming to a close, or the chapter is closing. Does not mean you are leaving your job or something bad is happening. This chapter closes where there were many opinions, many opposite opponents, many unnecessary comments, where everyone was like, I am right, other is saying I am right, third person is also saying I am also correct, and you are also saying I am also correct. Technically nobody is correct, but this phase, this area of life is ending. I would say competition is ending, in the sense competition would reduce. You will have better state of mind. You will have little bit of relaxation in your body because of this competition ending, this stress ending, where you have to fight with people to put your opinion across. Yes, this is the better phrase. Some sort of energy in your life, or a phase in your life where you constantly have to be on your toes to prove your point or prove your worth. This is ending. It is a good thing. It's a good thing which is ending. Let's see what is entering your life in the remaining, in these remaining months of 2026. Like what energy is replacing it? What is entering your life in the remaining months of 2026? I have two fives here. As you move forward from the environment I told you, most probably you will enter a better environment, most probably work wise. Could be a better position, and but I don't want to say promotion. I don't want to say promotion. But be rest assured, if you are coming out of one toxic environment, you will still have such people around. If let's say environment, toxic environment, you come out of, you will face one or two people with whom you will have ego clash. Not many people, one or two people with whom you will have ego clash. That is entering your life. Now, see, this is not a bad thing. You are watching this, so you got to know. One thing keep in mind, do not entertain people who try to bring you down by saying a lot of bad things verbally. People will use smart tactics and they will say it out loud. Maybe they try to make you feel small by passing comments. You do not have to like engage with them. Do not try to prove them wrong. They are wrong. You know that. Don't try to prove them wrong. You will give them power and they will become more powerful. And the process will go on and on and on, and there would be no ending. You will be in no position to prove them wrong. they will be much more powerful. This is entering. Let me see one guidance for this. I will not leave you here. This card came out. See, do your work, stay in your limits. That is all I would say. And this card I have, which is also confirming the phase you would be coming out of, would also be something like this. But the good thing is, your thing which is ending, that will give you relief. This new part entering will not be that great, but better than what will end by the time we end this year. And whatever you used to do in the past, which is trying to prove yourself also, now see, I am being very mindful of what I'm saying. You have to take your stand. Where people bully you, they pass comment on you, but then do it professionally, or bring someone in HR or something if you are working. Do not let your mind take a lot of stress on this. It will put a lot of stress on you. Work, get paid, go home. Don't try to prove anyone anything. Okay, I'll end this part here. Biggest lesson for the remaining months of this year for pile 2. Biggest lesson for the remaining months of this year. I will say one thing. Your lesson for the remaining months of the year is, I am sensing one thing. You have no clarity in a lot of things in life. You are working just for working, just to get your paycheck. Could be a possibility. But right now, you have no clarity on many things. If you have clarity, try to answer yourself. Where do you see yourself 2 years down the line in your career? Where do you see 2 years down the line about yourself in, let's say, relationship? If you are single or you are in a relationship, where do you see yourself? Either you are doing too many things, or you have too many things in mind, or you're all over the place, emotionally, mentally, work wise. So, your biggest lesson is, don't be in this state. Take some guidance. You are in this phase where you have no clarity, and the thing is, you yourself cannot come out of it, or you yourself cannot find a solution. There's a lot in your mind, and the thing is, you take decisions emotionally. भावनाओं में बह जाते हो, बहते बहते पूरे डूब जाते हो. You need someone's help. Now see, I am a teacher by profession, and if I say you need a teacher, I don't know what age you are at, how you will get a teacher. Take guidance or take someone's help to help you figure out things which you are facing, which is you being all over the face, like all over the place. Next, I would say, biggest obstacle for pile 2 ahead in the remaining months of this year. This card just came out. See, the problem with you in the remaining months of this year would be too fast, like very, very fast thing you want to do. Let me explain what I'm saying. If just an example, take in whichever area of life this resonates. One thing, like with this, before I explain you with an example, you're too harsh with your words many a times, not sometimes. कभी इतना मतलब you will be harsh with your near and dear ones. The सामने वाला person will get very hurt. I don't want to say short tempered, but बस बोल देते हो. That will be a problem. Second, if you do one thing, you will do it a lot, and that will hinder all the other areas of life. Example which I was giving, if you're going to gym 6-7 hours a day, 6-7 becomes too much, 4-5 hours a day, and you do it for 1 month and then you leave. In this, what would have happened? Gymming ke andar you did a lot, other area of life got imbalanced a bit, and then you left gym also. You left going to gym. Now that is also not working. That also got ruined. Other parts of life got ruined. This also got ruined. That will be an obstacle if you're doing something great, but do not let it affect other areas of life. If you're working, don't make work your entire life. Give time to other areas of life or other people you have around or other hobbies or whatever you have, other things. Balance is needed. Next, I would want to see biggest blessing. I saw obstacle, so ये तो बनता है मेरा देखना. Biggest blessing coming, in the remaining months of this year for pile 2. Biggest blessing. You will have comfort, you will have luxury. This is matching so much with pile 1. So many same cards I have here in pile 2, just like pile 1. See, by the time year ends, you will have at least comfort and luxury. Now, my definition of comfort luxury could be different. Your definition of comfort luxury could be different. But you would be comfortable. Financially, let me be very specific. Financially, maybe you are not like in a very, very good paycheck situation, but whatever you will have, you will be still comfortable. Some female figure will also be nurturing you a lot. You have this blessing, as the year ends, as we reach towards the end of the year. In career, I will now see what is the current energy first for those. I will also see for those who are in business. First, I will see for those who are in job, what is your current energy? Take deep breath. My cards are again and again falling. Take deep breath if you are watching this, please. बार गिर रहे यार मेरे cards. Energies of those who are in a job right now. See, at your workplace could be a possibility that you get assigned a project or you start something, and it is a good energy. Let me say that first. It is a good energy, and if any project comes to you, if it is given to you, take it up. That will be an opportunity. हो सकता है you are being considered. It is just like, how do I say this? I don't know corporate में कैसा होता है. I'm a professor professionally, so maybe a chance is given to you just to test your capability, just to see whether you would be able to do it or no, and on the basis of that, maybe they judge you. In your office, good thing, workplace, good energy we have, and good in the sense some new creativity is coming, where you like doing this thing. It could be a sort of challenge, but you would love this challenge. That energy I'm sensing. So I will give guidance here for pile 2. यहाँ पे भी मैं pile 1 बोलने वाली थी. I don't know pile 1, pile 2, what connection they have. Guidance. See, so many cards came out. Baba Shanti, thoda take breathe thoda. Pile 2, guidance for those who are in a job. Guidance for pile 2, those who are in job. Use all your determination, use all your leadership skills. Also, now see, if I say use your intuition, you may not know. Keep your mind in a rest mode also. See, as I said, this connects so well. I love the, power of tarot. Everything connects so well. You will be given an opportunity at your workplace Now, this opportunity could come as a project or you are assigned some work. Give your best. Next 1 to 2 months, you might be tested in a way just to see if we give you some work, how do you do it? And I'm not scaring you, ठीक है, मैं डरा नहीं रही हूँ. Maybe in this process it happens that you feel stuck or you don't know how to do it. But the thing is, you know how to do it and you will do it. In between the phases of this project or this new opportunity or something new which will be assigned to you, you are a leader, you will be able to do it. Take my words. My deck never lies. Okay? This I have observed in my 4-5 years of practice. You will be able to do it. Problems will come, challenges will come. You will be able to do it. How? You have all the skills to do it. It will be a little bit tiring. So that is why I'm saying rest your mind well so that you can use your intuition. There are going to be times where you would not understand what to do, how to do. That is where your intuition is going to kick in and it will help. Take guidance, take help of your intuition. Intuition will guide you. What is the right thing to do? And that is why I'm saying, apne mind ko na, you give rest. Now, you will know how to give rest, whether you get rest from sleep or doing some activity or something. Mind ko rest karna अच्छे से. It will be a good opportunity which will come to you and you will be able to do it. Trust me. People also tell me you will be able to do it, and I'm always like, how? They're like, you'll do it. And when I end up doing it, I'm like, Arey, how did I do it? People are like, told you, bola tha, you'll be able to do it. All your skills, use it. You will be able to do it. This is good for people in job. Let me see energies of those who are in business. You have your own business. Let me see energy of pile 2, those who are in business. Whatever happens, right now, you are in this grief of what did not work out. Past में जो हो गया, आप उसका अभी भी दुख लेके बैठे हो. I understand your pain. But whatever is next or whatever comes next, you're not looking at it. My dear pile 2. Whatever happened in the past, I feel you. जो हुआ बुरा हुआ. You are still grieving that pain. And in that process, you are missing other opportunities which are in front of you. You are not looking at it. That is your current energy. Solution for this, pile 2, for those in business, solution for this. Your solution is, jo ho gaya, can't undo it, but what is there ahead, you have to look at it. This guidance is there. Another, whatever happened in the past, theek hai. You have other plans also. Now, pile 2 watching this, who are in business, you have other goals also in your business. Now work on that, achieve that, and you can do that. Jo ho gaya did not work out, theek hai. We cannot undo that thing. But business does not end here. You have to come up with new ideas, you have to plan new things. Plan that new thing, plan those ideas, execute it, manifest it. I don't know how you manifest. I don't go into this 2 2 2 3 3 3 4 4 4 writing. You see what works for you and work for that. I see good energies as we end the year. Not great, I'm saying, but good. That quote I had read somewhere on the Instagram. I'm not where I want to be, but far from where I was. That sort of a thing I see here for you. Now I will see pile 2 in love. For singles and for those in relationship. Okay, so I'll start with singles. What is the current energy of people who are single? Pile 2. Energies of pile 2, those who are single. You are Let me explain with an example. You're working, you're coming home, you are right now satisfied with the life you have and the work you are doing and whatever you have. Like you are in this little bit, I would not say detached mode, but you are like, whatever it is fine. It is good. Not best, but good. You are working, you are doing your thing, you are learning, everything you are keeping in balance. Emotion wise, you are single, ठीक है, you are single, so you are like, ठीक, past का भी इतना कुछ I don't see major grief or something. ठीक, balance. भगवान ने सब कुछ दिया, संतुष्टि sort of a thing I'm sensing. Let me see as we reach end of the year, good 5-6 months we have. What comes for pile 2, those who are single? This will help you understand whether you have someone coming or how life is going. What is coming for pile 2 singles in the remaining months of 2026? I don't see um, relationship. Relationship is like a term. Okay? I don't see that happen. Maybe you talk with someone and you'll talk. Like you will invest your time and effort. That is all I see in the remaining months of this year. If you talk with someone, you would want that we give this dating term or relationship term, but I do not see that happen. I will not sugarcoat. If it happens next year, okay, I'm not saying it happens next year, but this is the energy that you would, if you talk to someone as a potential person, I see you investing first your time, effort, and that not fruitifying. Like if you're talking to someone for like 3 months, that may not come to a term. And I'm not saying don't talk. ऐसा मत लेना. I just see that you will invest your time and effort with someone in the remaining months of the year. That is all I see. Talking, meeting few people. That is all. Nothing like relationship sort of an energy or someone coming in. Them 2 of cups wala energy. That I don't see. Honestly, I'm saying I'm not sure about. For those who are in a connection or in a relationship, while 2 people, those who are watching, if you are in a bond or a relationship, let me see the current energy first. That will give me a lot of context. Are Bhagwan, energy is not good. Because you are watching this, I found your energy. Did something happened? Communication कुछ ऐसा हो गया. You are not in a good state. या तो बात नहीं कर रहे हो और I don't want to say break up, honestly, but mentally there is a lot of things are going on in your head in relationship right now. Like मैं ऐसा नहीं बोलूंगी डिप्रेशन यार मैं you're not in a good something happened kya with your partner, something happened because of which you're very hurt so much that नींद भी रात को मतलब प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है. This energy I'm sensing. Why is this happening? Why pile 2? Why is this happening? Let me see. Let me understand. Why this 9? Why this? Emotionally hurt हो गए हो. Oh my god. See, one or both of y'all or either of y'all just walked away from the connection, thinking this is not what I want or I don't want this anymore. And ये ना गुस्से में किया, you have taken, whoever did this, you or your partner, did this in anger and walking away from this bond. Oh my god. ऐसा है क्या you all are not talking or one of you at least in this connection is very hurt. Like this relationship has taken a toll on your mind and someone just ended. Like I don't want this, I don't want to be with you. That sort of an energy. एंड ये गुस्से में हुआ है, ईगो में हुआ है. टेल मी इन द कमेंट, इज दिस द थिंग? सो इट हेल्प्स मी अंडरस्टैंड कि ऐसा हुआ भी है या नहीं. Guidance for you who's watching, guidance for you, guidance for pile 2. देखो, बात करो, टॉक. What affected both of y'all? Talk. Because a lot of things are in mind, and because you're not able to, both of y'all or one of y'all are not able to say it out to each other, share or express what is inside. Because of that, a lot exploded. Talk. Nahi bhi karna hai, continue. Talk. Don't just walk away. If you talk, you will get clarity. And I don't want to say the word clarity. You will understand, okay, if this was a misunderstanding because of this. Maybe in your head, you are assuming something, but that is not the reality. Talk. Communicate. And very clearly, no emotional communication here. Be a mature human being, adult, and talk. Put your perspective out with your partner. Let your partner say what they feel. Understand. Communicate to understand कि hurt हुआ है, for what reason, why, and then say the clarity. No, it was not like that, or it was like this. Oh my God, pile 2 people in relationship. God bless you, Baba. It's a tough situation right now, yaar. I would not even wish this upon my enemy. It's a very thoda difficult energy. Talk. Now, if your partner is not talking, figure out ways to talk. See, but avoid emotional chaos right now. That will help you a lot. I will end this relationship part here. Next, I will say, next, what should you focus on for the remaining months of 2026? What should you focus on? Pile 2. Pile 2, I will ask you one thing. In this year, from January till this time, whenever you are watching this, had you gone through this phase where you have to suppress a lot of ego inside you, or were you in an environment where your ego was tested again and again, your ego was hurt, and then you had to, uh, how do I say this? Self-respect affect hua tha kahin na kahin in this year. And the thing here is you have to focus on is every time you don't have to get into this fight or argument or in any situation where you have to prove yourself. Like, I, me, myself, har jagah pe nahi aa sakta. There are times you have to understand, how do I control my ego? How do I control my ego by not hurting others? Focus on that in the remaining months of this year. That will help you a lot. Ego will be a lot of things to control your animal like desires. Sorry to use the little harsh word. Every time you get anger, it does not mean you just blast or put it out on people. You have to focus on that this year, at least the remaining months of the year. I would say, let me end this with guidance for pile 2 for the remaining months of the year. Try to learn things which you think you should learn. If you're in a career, try to learn a skill which you think which will help you monetize later, or it will add to your curriculum or to your CV. If you're a student, your curriculum, if you're a professional, see something you can learn. Have this learning mindset. Learn something. Second, take responsibilities. you will have opportunities, 2 to 3 opportunities you can get. Be responsible, take those opportunities and work. I will not specify what opportunity, when, how, blah blah blah. That I will not say. Two things: learn something which can add value to your life or to your career. Second, you right now either you have or you get opportunities in the remaining months of the year. Be responsible, take it, and don't leave it in between. Finish that. This is vague right now, you will not understand. It'll hit you later. And one thing also, I would say what you should avoid in the remaining months of this year. What you should avoid. Otherwise, it will slow down. This we have checked already. One more question I would ask: what you should avoid in the remaining months of this year. One more card I would say. घर के chaos से थोड़ा दूर रहना. Little bit chaos. I'm not saying it'll happen. If that happens, chaos in the house, verbal chaos, chaos in the house, you understand. See, we are in India. We are Indians. Sometimes it happens there are too many people giving their opinions. And sometimes it becomes very toxic. And in the heat of moment, we end up saying certain bad things. Avoid the chaos. Otherwise, it will isolate you from the people around you. You will feel like no one in the house understands me or supports me. Avoid chaos. For your peace of mind, shanti banaye rakhna. Avoid chaos. Avoid involving yourself in the chaos. If someone involves you in the chaos, do not give your power to them. You know how to do this. That is all for you. Pile 2, this was your reading. If it resonated in any which ways in this entire reading, if you are here till now, I am sure you have read, if you have seen the whole video. If it resonated in any which ways, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And do comment which part you resonated the most. It will help me understand the content I'm bringing. People are resonating, and I will see you next time with a new reading. Bye. Hi guys, if you chose pile 3, then this is your reading. Straight away I'm getting into this reading. One request: as I shuffle, take few deep breaths so I connect to your energy. The very first thing I will check is your current energy. Where is pile 3 currently in their life energetically? That will give me a lot of context. Where is pile 3 energetically right now in their life? See, right now you are in that phase of life, or the energy you are in right now. You are balancing. Balancing in a way could be anything: work and home, work and relationship. And this balance is in such a way you have 2 things, or maybe more than 2 things. You cannot drop any. You want to do all the things, could be 2 or more than 2. You want to do both the things and you cannot drop any. That is the current energy I'm sensing. You tell me, is that so? You're balancing, okay? It is not easy, but you are trying hard. You are not dropping either of them. Little bit difficult sometimes on emotionally it gets a bit draining, but you're balancing. That is the current state. Financially also, like, I'm seeing balancing 2 or more than 2 things in your life. Could be 2 areas of life, 2 jobs, work, home, work and relationship. But equally you are putting efforts in both the things. That is your energy. I would now see what is ending as we come to an end of 2026, or in the remaining months of 2026. What is ending for pile 3? What is ending for pile 3, for good or for bad? Let's see. Things which are happening way too fast. Let me explain you properly with an example. There are certain things in your life you do it. Let's say, let me give you an example. You go to gym, just an example. If you don't just think, you go to gym, but you get so obsessed with it, you will go one full month, 5 hours a day, and that affects other things in your life. Sometimes work, sometimes giving time to family, time to partner, or looking after yourself in other ways. It affects a lot of things because you're obsessed with doing one thing. And after 1 month, you stop going to gym. So other things already got affected because you were giving a lot of time to gym, and now you stopped going to gym. So that is also affected. So your habits like this is ending. Or let's say situations, once it will happen like a lot, and the other moment there's nothing happening. That is ending. Speed, too much of speed into certain things, I see ending. I'm sure it is for good. Next, I would say, what is entering in pile three's life in the remaining months of 2026? If it is a job, there is promotion. Stability, I would say. Stability, I want to say in career. Stability in career, I sense. If you were planning for appearing appearing an exam, I see good results, not great but good. Even धक्का मार के पास हुए आप पास हो जाओगे. I see good stability where you will feel that yes, I have achieved something good. It is a good card, pile 3 compared to last 2 piles. This is good thing entering. Stability in the sense you would feel like yes, my foundation, I have laid my foundation. Now you can build a building. Example, foundation would be made. That will be a good thing entering your life. Then biggest lesson for the remaining year, biggest lesson for pile 3 for the remaining year. See, do not take a lot of stress right now because your current energy, I saw you are balancing things equally. If in the remaining months of the year you feel you're not able to do certain things, ask for help. Nahi ho raha hai, stop for some time, ask someone else to take this from your platter, take help, delegate work. See what will happen, you will finish the work, you will do things, but you will be so drained that your health would be affected. This is the lesson of the remaining months for you. You will be exhausted. I have, let me show the card. And this is a traditional meaning. See, kaise bhi karke na aap saal nikal doge. You will get through the year, but then you will feel like, was it worth doing? Was it worth carrying everything all alone? And it would be you who would be taking everything on you. Others will not put on you. It would be who? It would be you who would want to take everything on yourself. Do not do that. Don't do that. Understand where to draw a boundary. Let others also do their work. And if you also cannot do your work, ask for help. आप छोटे नहीं हो जाओगे. Or have moderation, balance in the work you are doing. This will end up exhausting you so bad that next day you would not have energy to wake up and do the work all over again. You would be facing the loss. I would say physically. Health खराब होगी तो क्या करोगे इतना पैसा अर्न करके काम करके. Then I would say biggest blessing in the remaining months of this year for pile 3. All the 3 piles have some or the other connection. All the 3 piles had this same card for this exact question. You will have comfort around you. Now, my definition of comfort is different, your definition of comfort is different, but you will feel some sort of comfort because you had this card. I would not be surprised that this card came in. Financially, little bit comfort you would have, maybe not promotion, but comfort. And I had said this in the pile too. I saw this reel saying, I'm not where I want to be, but I'm far from where I started. That sort of a thing. This is the blessing entering your life unexpectedly. And you can also get a help of a female person who can help you in career, अपने वर्क प्लेस पे, or a financial opportunity comes in some or the other way, not direct opportunity, but the lady will help you. That will help you. Yes. Next, I would now look for career section. First, for people who are in a job, and then for those who are in business. For those who are in a job, let me check your current energy first. It will give me a context. File 3, those who are in a job, what is their current energy? काम ठीक है, बैलेंस्ड है, कभी इतना भी स्ट्रेस नहीं आता, और समटाइम्स इट इज not too much of rest, balance. You are doing your work, you're going for your work, doing your work, getting paid, coming back. Things are moderate. Like jitna you are working, utna you are getting paid. That sort of a thing. Moderate. Moderate. Nothing bad I see. Nothing bad I see as of now. So now I will not pull what you should do. I will say guidance for those who are in job for the remaining month of the year. Guidance. अरे ऐसा क्यों हो गया? See, I will say one thing, because your current energy is also like moderate. Guidance is like you have this one routine and you have become comfortable in that routine. Going to work, getting paid, doing the work, coming home. One thing I will just ask you to do, if you can, change the way you think in terms of work. I'm not asking you to change your job or something, or leave your job or switch company. I would say boredom has come जो आपको नहीं लग रहा है. For you it is a comfort, but think differently once for me, and for the cards I've pulled. This will become an energy exchange. Think little different, that if you could add one more skill, if you can learn more in the same field you are doing, or think like what you could level up a position, maybe in the same firm. Think little different. Don't let this boredom come in. It will not give you any growth. That is what I'm trying to say. Growth will not be too much if you be like this the way you are. Neither am I asking you to take risk. Change your mindset a bit from your routine, that what if I could learn more? What skill I can add, and if I add that skill, where I can be? That will answer a lot of questions to you, and it will give you a new perspective, that oh, do I do more things? Do I learn something new? Or maybe I can do other thing also. Maybe I can level up also. Maybe in the same firm. Do that once for me. That is your guidance. Now, energies of those people who are in a business. Let me see current energies of pile 3, those who are in a business. Pile 2 had the exact same card. Some pile 3, your current energy is such You expected some project, something to work, you had put your heart in it. In the past, it did not work out, and you are still grieving that pain currently. And the thing is, yes, whatever happened in the past shouldn't have happened, but you cannot change the past. There, that is past for a reason. Currently, you still have other things to do, or maybe you have other opportunities still in front of you, and you're not looking at it because of what happened in the past. You are grieving emotionally for something you had invested emotionally in the past, and वो अभी भी energy linger कर रही है. And in doing so, you're not seeing what you have right now, or what you can do with whatever you are left with. Let me give you a solution for this for the remaining months of the year. Who am I to give solution? Let's see guidance for pile 3 in business. See, you can do things again. I'm not saying go back and do what did not work out. Again, you can build new things on your own with all the skills you have. All you need to do is come out of that phase. I understand things did not work out. You would have invested a lot of your emotions, your efforts, your energy in something. It did not work out, but you're not understanding one thing did not work out does not mean everything will not work out. And with this card I've got, I see you someone independently doing good. Like you are such a person, you can do things on your own. Maybe you don't need a lot of people. That is an advantage. I'm not saying do everything alone. That is an advantage. You can run things on your own, all by yourself. You can build something again if you try. You have other opportunities. Try to take those opportunities up and build something out of it. That is your guidance. What did not work out, we cannot change it. But there are other things also. You can do it in a good way, whatever comes next. And you have good opportunities coming in the remaining months of the year. I can say that. Now, for love part, I would divide it into two for those who are single and those who are in a relationship. For those who are single, pile 3 who's watching, current energies of those who are single right now. What is their current energy? In the past, did something happen because of which right now you are not in a good state of mind? Did this happen? I'm not saying this is happening. Did this happen? If yes, please comment and let me know. I got this card and I'm like, ये हुआ क्या आपके साथ में? I would not be surprised of myself to say you're not in a good state of mind. Something happened in the past. You are single right now, understand. And something happened in the past because of which right now there is a possibility where you feel like you have not got a proper closure. And maybe there was infidelity or betrayal. And you are single right now, and this is your current energy. Not a good energy. I would say this, not a good energy it is. And why it is not good? Because of past. Maybe you don't have a closure, proper closure, the way you want, or some infidelity, cheating sort of a thing could be possible. I'll pull one card for my understanding here more. I may not say it. Why is this state for pile 3? I told you, yeah, some what I said in the past, I will keep it as it is. Some cheating has happened. Some cheating I sense at least from my cards. I sense it. Guidance for pile 3 singles. Guidance for pile 3 singles. Tarot sometimes, amazes me. And intuition was telling me that, this is some cheating thing. Some third, I don't, let's not say third person, but वो cheating में तो फिर वही होता है. And clarifier came. Guidance for pile 3 singles in the remaining month of the year. See, I will not say that new person incoming, all that. You need to heal. Pile 3 singles, you need to heal. Please focus on your healing. I'm not saying kuch bad hoga. This remaining month of the year, focus on your healing first. With whatever happened with you, heal that. If you heal that, the next relation you get into, you will have much better energies. Otherwise, yahi usme jata rahega, energies, lingers a lot. Focus on healing, please. Heal your mind, heal your heart. Heal from whatever happened. Do not blame yourself for whatever happened with you. Take it as a pinch of salt, and this pinch of salt would be very kadwa. Heal. Whatever happened, that was not your, fault. It shouldn't have happened with you. My heart goes out to you. Um, Focus on your healing. जो भी past में हुआ ना, उसको एक बार heal कर लो. And how do you heal that? Whatever happened, take it in a way. Now, and see, this one thing, I've been a student of astrology since childhood, but tarot is something I took up first. And March month was a month where, Ketu transited in Leo in Magha Nakshatra. I am no one to say this, but if it has ended, whatever happened in the past, it was meant to happen. And when Ketu transits in Magha, it flushes out which is not for you. You might say, who am I to say that that person was not for me, but that person was not for you. That is why this happened. Heal that. This year, 5-6 months, give yourself for healing from what happened. Otherwise, it will create a lot of wounds for you. Abandonment wound and this and that. Heal. Accept it happened. Trust God that it happened because of something good for you. This pain, I felt this. I know. We feel like, Are kya bol rahe ye log? How do they know it was good for us when I wanted this the most? Accept whatever God did, it was for your betterment. And heal. Give your heart healing, give your mind healing from whatever you went through. For those who are in a relationship right now, I will not take this more. Breathe, thoda, breathe. Those who are in a relationship, my cards are falling out. For those who are in a relationship, the current energies in pile 3. I see good energies, both the partners, wanting to spend time with each other, wanting to be with each other. Obviously, you are in a relationship, but emotionally opening your heart also with each other. There is this innocence I am sensing. Both of you all, wanting to be with each other, spending time with each other, knowing each other, learning each other's love language. I am sensing this. Let me see energies of this connection in the next 5-6 months. What it brings. Be careful. Be careful. Pile 3. Be careful about your partner. Do I say this? And even if I say, I will not sugarcoat, I just don't want to scare you. And I'm not saying, doubt them or they are going to do something very bad or they will cheat, sort of a thing. They will have a little bit of different behavior with you, which you will feel like, why is this person doing this? Let me see, why is this person doing this? Why your partner will be doing this. Okay. They might feel that you are not putting equal efforts in your connection. They are the only one who's investing a lot of time and effort in this connection. What I will tell you is don't be like this in the remaining months of the year where your partner feels he or she is the only one who's constantly putting efforts or running this relation. You also balance it out with equal effort and time. That is all I would say. And yeah, that is all I would say. Um, what should you focus on in the remaining months of this year? What you should now, this is apart from relationship. Um, what you should focus on in the remaining months of this year. Dekho, there is a possibility where you put in a lot of efforts, lot of energy in work, and you will expect to get results like this. ऐसा होने में थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा. The thing is, you focus on putting in the efforts. Do not expect quick results. This is the reality I'm telling you. You will get results. अब ऐसा होगा ना, you will put in a lot of efforts, but the results will take time, and whatever little bit results you will get in between will not be up to your expectation. And I'm not saying the results will never come. It will take time. Imagine you have planted a seed and you are watering it. Do you dig that again and just to see, kitna hua? How much did it grow? No, right? It will take time. It will have its own pace. Same will happen with you. I'm sensing this in work or something you are investing in skill wise. Give it time and you put in the work. आप काम करते जाइए. It will take time for the results to come. So what you need to focus on is put in the efforts. Even if it is taking time, put in the efforts. If you focus on when the results will come, you will be disheartened. I'm not saying results will not come, but it will take time. And what you need to avoid in the remaining months of the year? Again, same card, just like pile 2. See, this year, in the remaining month of the year, avoid letting ego come on the surface when someone tries to tell you something which is different from what you do or how you do things usually. I see, I would say, intervals, not every day, every month. Don't let other people affect you in a way. If someone is sharing any idea or if someone is showing you something which you don't do it or you do it differently, just don't let ego come in. Oh, I don't do it like this. How can you tell me this? If you don't want to listen to them, okay, just listen, and from this year only you listen, and from here only you take out. Don't let ego come out. Don't let pride come out. And don't suppress creativity this year. And do not misuse of authority and power if you have or if you get it. That is all, pile 3. This was your reading. If in any which ways you resonated, please let me know in the comment. It will help me a lot understand that whatever I'm bringing in on this channel, people are resonating. And please don't forget to like, at least as an energy exchange. It will motivate me a lot to bring in more such videos. I will see you next time with a new reading. Bye.